In this video, I will be showing you how to make model putty using super glue and cornstarch. They make these type of model putties. For the downside to these is they take a really long to dry, like a few hours. And what I'm going to show you takes 2 minutes. But these do have its place. Here I'll lay something down because it can get a little messy. I'm using these condiment cup lids. They work really well for this. Also work well for mixing paint in. I'm using a plastic stir stick here that made for cake pops. You can find in the bakery section, but you can also use a toothpick. I put this cornstarch in this little condiment cup, but it's just regular old cornstarch. This powder seems to get everywhere. I use a broken sanding stick to dip it out. I just put a little bit, as much as you think you would need. There's no exact amount. But the more cornstarch you use, the more super glue you have to use. There's no exact amount, I'll just squeeze so I think it looks good. You can always add more cornstarch. Just give this a good stir till it turns into like a liquid. You can also use baking soda to do this, but baking soda dries instantly, and this gives you 2 minutes of leeway to apply this putty any way you want to apply it. The more cornstarch you add, the more thicker it will become, but also the more quicker it will dry. So just keep that in mind. The more cornstarch, the quicker this stuff dries. But you can just keep adding a little bit of cornstarch to get to the right consistency you want to work with. That's a little runny for me, so I add a little bit more. As you can see, it don't take very much to change it. I have this piece of styrene from a model kit. I'm going to drill some holes in. I'm just going to fill to show you guys how it works. A little like metal spatula or plastic spatula for like clay and stuff. It works really well for this. This stuff dries pretty quick, like in 2 minutes. It's completely hard. It's like hard as a rock. As you can see, I'm taking my X-Acto and drilling it into it. And this stuff is really hard. As you can see here, it barely even made a hole into it I twisted a few times. You can also drill this and get like a perfect hole. So there's all kinds of uses for this putty. It acts like it's plastic when you drill it. As you can see here, when you drill it, it looks like it's drilling plastic. So here's like the little threads that come off the bit. I'm sanding this with 600 grit sandpaper, but you probably should sand it with 400 grit. This stuff is pretty hard. You can also use a sanding stick to sand this. But this stuff is actually pretty hard to sand, so don't put globs on. Just put enough to fill whatever you're filling with it, or like a gap or a hole. And as you can see here, I sanded this for about 5 minutes and got it pretty smooth. Next I'm going to go with like a 2000 grit and a 2500 grit sandpaper to get rid of the really big grooves in it from the other sandpaper I was using, which was 600. You should start sanding with 600 and move to like 800 and 1000 and 1500 and on up. I just skipped all of them and went to 2000 and 2500 just to show an example. You do have to smooth it out though with a big before you paint it, or you would show the big sand marks in it, just like with any other putty. Here I'm using a Badger Steiner Res primer. You can use any primer on this though, but you do have to use a primer or it will see through the paint. But as long as you use a primer, the paint will cover completely fine. You'll never see this. Just like with any normal putty. If you don't primer any normal putty on any model, you will sit for the paint. My finish here didn't turn out very good because I had my airbrush pressure way too high. As you can see here, I was just demonstrating here that paint does stick to this putty. The finish turned out pretty horrible, but that wasn't because of the filler putty I made. It's just because of my pressure on my airbrush. I was cleaning my airbrush out earlier and had the pressure up way too high. But that's it, that's how easy it is. So thanks for watching.